Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Facebook language. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you want to change your language of your Facebook. Then head over to the three lines icon. And then scroll down and go to the settings and privacy drop-down box. Now head over to settings. Once you're there, just tap on the search settings search bar and then just search for language. And from here, just tap on language and region. Then just tap on language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. And from here, you can just change your language in your own taste. As it is currently getting my device's language, so it's currently having English. So yeah, from here you can just change it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.